Alright, now you can see this is over $21 and pending here is $5.67. Yeah, on this platform known as SproutGigs.com. So I actually wanted to show you guys few things about SproutGigs and how you guys can actually monetize this website. Alright, how you can make money from this website. All you need to do is just perform some free jobs, free tasks. I'm going to show you how you do them. You perform those jobs and you actually make money for yourself. So this is actually my account here on SproutGigs.com, and $21 has been made so far with this brand new account. And guys, that's been awesome. Performing simple jobs and getting paid for it. So I'm going to refresh my browser and show you guys what I'm actually talking about, so you guys see that here is real and you can actually make money here on SproutGigs.com. So you can see actually reloaded my page and you can see I got my money there. $21 is here and pending is just $5. All right, so here in this tutorial video I'm going to show you what you need to start doing now to make money for yourself with SproutGigs.com. And in case if you have not heard of SproutGigs.com, basically here on SproutGigs, all you need to do is to perform simple jobs. You take simple service and they pay you for everything you do on the website. Alright, so with that all said, I believe you should already have an idea of what we'll be doing into this tutorial video. But before I actually jump into that, quickly I want to introduce myself to those of you watching my video for the very first time. My name is NH, and basically what I do here on my channel is to show you guys different strategies and different ways to make money online for yourself. So if that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because from time out now and time in, guys, I'm going to be pulling up new content, new videos, showing you different strategies you've never seen before on how to make money online for yourself. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button now, and let's get started. Alright, so thank you for subscribing, and the next thing I want you to do is to just give this video a like. Alright, give this video a like, because I'm actually putting up content here, different strategies here, different formations, different ways on how to go about making money online, and you want to be so appreciative, right? You want to appreciate my effort. So what I want you to do now is to just hit the like button, like this video, subscribe and like this video, and tell me what you feel about this video in the comment section below. So with that all said, let's just go into today's tutorial video and make money for ourselves. So you can see here is my account on SproutGigs.com, and I'm actually made money here with this actually platform here, performing simple jobs like this, jobs like new offers, download PDF, sign up, and all those kind of things. But guys, I want you guys to pay close attention, because I want to show you different simple jobs that you can do. Most of all these jobs here you actually see on SproutGigs.com are they are very hard, and most of them can be what's it called, hard to perform. But I want to show you the ones I actually do for myself, the ones I do, the easy ones I do, that are still high paying. All right, yeah, that are still high paying. So you want to concentrate, you want to follow me step by step, and let's make money together. All right, remember I told you I'm going to share with you simple tasks that you can start doing. I mean it, simple tasks that you can start doing. You don't need to stress yourself on hard jobs. All right, I'm going to show you simple tasks that you can start doing. These are the ones I do, so I have the boldness to show them to you, and I have the boldness to teach you how to go about doing them. All right, so this is just my own account. So what I'm going to do now is to create your own account, create a brand new account. And what I want you to do now is to just follow my system, follow my procedure, and you will get money to your dashboard. So the next thing you want to do is to head over to your browser and come over to SproutGigs.com. So this is a different email address. I'm going to be making use of this new email address. I'm going to be creating an account. I'm going to be making money here with this email address, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do. So now pay close attention. So come over to a new tab and go over to SproutGigs.com. You can see here SproutGigs.com. This is the browser here. This is the URL, SproutGigs.com. And officially previously it was known as Pico Workers or Pico Workers. I don't know what you guys pronounce it as. It's either Pico Workers or Pico Workers. That's what we used to call SproutGigs earlier, but all of a sudden it just changed to SproutGigs.com, and I think it's for the better. Alright, so you want to head over to SproutGigs.com, or if you can still move on to your browser and you search for Pico Workers, you're still going to be having your URL, and you can access them anywhere on Google. Alright, so now the next thing you want to do is to come over and create your own free account. But right before that, again, as the bonus tip for those of you watching this video, I'm going to be sharing with you their affiliate program. I'm going to be talking about their affiliate program, and I'm going to be sharing with you people that are actually making money online and what you need to start doing to copy those guys there. If you come over here, if you come over here, and you're going to be seeing something. Okay, not here. I'm coming. Let me go back to my own dashboard and show you guys something. You can see we have a lot of people actually making money here. I'm going to show you what these guys are actually doing. You can see this $192, $39, $12, $26, and to be sincere about this is, guys, Nigerians are also, you can see this guy here. This is Joe Diesel, and he's actually making his collecting his payment in Litecoin, $6 here. And if you go down a little bit, you're gonna be seeing Nigerians too as well. We have a lot of Nigerians here that are actually making money from Pico workers. You can see this guy here is known as Carbono, and he has made over $314 here and is yet to withdraw his money. So guys, you can see Pico workers is just a simple thing, a simple simple website that you can sign up to and get money for yourself. Like I told you earlier, if you stay close, I'm gonna share with you their affiliate program, and now you can use that to double your hustle, double your earnings here on SproutGigs.com. Alright, so pay close attention and follow me closely. So yeah, let's go back and create our own account. Alright, so what we want to do is to create our own free account. I told you earlier, it's a very free platform you can use, and I want to make this known to you guys. Don't make use of a VPN, or don't change your proxy, don't change your browser whatsoever, IP address. No, don't do that. Micro workers app, SproutGigs rather, would actually accept you wherever you are from anywhere, any part of the world. So if you are from Nigeria, from South Africa, wherever you are, USA, you're gonna be accepted. So there's no need for you to hide anything. You don't need to hide anything. All right, so just be plain to this website and they will be plain to you. All right, so don't hide anything, don't hide anything. So just come over and click on the sign up button, and when you click on the sign up button, it's going to bring you over to this tab where you are going to be putting up your real name, putting up your email address, your password, your nickname, setting your country. So let's do that together. Like I told you, I'm this kind of person that loves to go from step A to step Z, so that you guys would actually see the system I'm taking, and you guys can replicate that system and get yourself results. So I'm going to put in my name. I'm just going to put in my name. My name is Charles, and my email address, or I'm gonna put in this email address here, my password. All right, let me just choose a random password. Let me just choose a random password. All right, guys, so you can see I just put in my password, and I want you guys to do the same thing for yourself. Put in a password that only you would have access to. Right, very good. And now my nickname, let me just put that as NH House. Simple. Then my country, guys, just put in your country. Like I told you, they would accept you wherever you are from the world, wherever country you're from. So let me just look for Nigeria here. Nigeria, this is Nigeria here, so this is Nigeria. So if you are from maybe Niger, if you are from Brazil, if you are from Malawi, Malaysia, whatever country you are from, they would accept you. So now the next thing you want to do now, guys, is to pay close attention and make sure you have this as I am a worker. Remember, you want to work on SproutGigs so that they can pay you. So just go with I am a worker, not I am an employer. No, you're not employing people, you're actually working to get paid, right? So we want to pick up I am a worker. Then what you want to do is just agree to all these things. All right, I agree to all these things. I agree to SproutGigs terms of service and privacy policy. Send me news, event, and offers via periodic email. It is very important, guys. So when you have offers that actually are paying, they would notify you. So it's simple. What you want to do is just click on sign up, and that's it. Our free account is being created. Our free account. Okay, the nickname is in wrong format. Okay, let me change my nickname. Okay, let me just make this random Charles. Sorry for that, guys. Actually, I have issues with my nickname, so I'm just gonna put in, sorry, Charles Charles, maybe 109. All right, Charles 109. All right, let's just repeat this process again. Put in my password again. So just gonna do that again here. Simple. All right, that's good. So let's try that again. So mind you, guys, your nickname should be in small letters, and you can actually add numbers, that numerical stuffs to it. All right, so you can see I have Charles here, and I added numbers with 109. And let's see if this username is not already it has not been taken. Okay, all right, so you can see successfully, guys, we've actually gotten our own SproutGig account. It says I'm almost there, Charles. Confirm your email and be part of the community. So what I want to do now is to go over to my email address and get the email sent to me by SproutGig. So you can see, guys, this is a new email that came in from SproutGig. Did you see this SproutGig? So I'm just going to open this email, all right, and I'm going to use this, all right, to activate my account. So I'm just going to open the link they sent to me to actually open and verify my account. Guys, successfully I have created my own account. You can see how easy it is to create an account on SproutGigs.com. So I see no reason why you should be waiting. I see no reason why you should still be doubting this simple process. All right, so now we've actually gotten our account on SproutGigs.com. Guys, you can see you have 0000, nothing, no money yet, but very soon you will actually have money there. All right, now the next thing we want to do is to go and get jobs that we can do, all right, to make money for ourselves. All right, so it's very simple. What you want to do, come over to micro jobs and click on find jobs. All right, just click on find jobs. We're going to be looking for jobs that we can perform here on SproutGigs.com. It's a very simple thing to do, a very simple thing to do. Let's just wait for this to load up. Let's just wait for this to load up. Let's just wait for this to load up, and we can actually start looking for jobs that we can perform. All right, just click on I agree to these terms and conditions. Yeah, super guys. You can see we already have jobs here for us to perform to start making money for ourselves. But I told you I'm going to share with you simple ones that you can start doing, okay, simple ones that you can start doing. Now the very first one I would love to show you is watching videos. All right, watching videos, and you get paid for it. So all you need to do is just come over to the search bar and type for watch. Alright, just tap for watch, and you're gonna be getting jobs that would actually tell you to watch videos, and they pay you for it. Simple thing. So I just spend my time watching most of YouTube videos, and guys, I'm actually making money watching YouTube videos. So you can see this is on an easy offer. Watch video plus comment, and they'll pay you 0.620 dollars. And here is watch another video for 10 seconds, and they'll pay you $1. Guys, can you see how this is? Just 10 seconds, you're going to be paid $1. Let me zoom that in a little bit. Do you see this? Watch video for 10 seconds, and guys, you're being paid $1. And that one here says watch a video, and you're going to be paying $0.050. Guys, you can see we have a lot of views. So this is one of the tags I would love to share with you that talks about watching videos and you get paid for it. It's high paying as well. All you need to do is just, you might not be the one watching the video, just play out the video, and guys, you're making money watching those videos. Now let me show you another tax. Mind you, that is one. Another one here is gonna be on liking. All right, liking people's page, people's profile picture. And okay, we have no jobs for that on liking for now. Let me look for commenting. So this is what I actually do, taking my time to do. Okay, we have no jobs there on commenting as well. Let's just look for another one that says follow on Instagram. Just showing you what you need to start doing, search terms you should start doing, all right, to get yourself money. Simple jobs you need to start doing. All right, you can see this another one here that talks about all you need to do is just follow on Instagram, and they will pay you $0.200. Another one here says complete an offer on TikTok, they will pay you $0.390. And Twitter micro influencer, follow a person on Twitter, you're going to be paid $0.020. And we have a lot of jobs so that you can start doing by yourself to get money into your SproutGigs account. But right before we, I think you guys should understand what I'm actually talking about here. But I want to show you how you guys can actually start receiving payment on your Pico Workers account. So what you want to do is just come over to my profile. All right, come over to my profile, and let's edit our profile so that we can actually, get everything ready for ourselves. Okay, it's a very simple thing. What you need to do is just come here and set up everything where you need to set up. If you have issues with your, what's it called, with your name, you can actually edit your name here. You can do anything you want here for yourself. It's very simple, very simple thing. Come over to account settings. All right, so before I show you guys what you need to start doing, you can actually edit your profile picture. Remember, if you have a profile picture, it's going to be a very good one, because people will trust you. All right, people will trust you. You can actually select your own profile picture here. A very simple thing to do, a very simple thing to do. So it's very simple. You can put about your profile page title, about yourself here. You can put about your hobbies and interests, put about things you love to do, and make sure you save all these things. It's very important, guys. So make sure you save all these things, and all these ones that you don't have access to, leave them. Just leave them that way, and just do these ones I ask you to do. Very simple, guys. Very simple. Now I want to show you guys something. Let me come to programs and offers. All right, now guys, if we come over to programs and offers, guys, you can see this is where you can grab your own affiliate link. It's a very simple thing. Come over to programs and offers, and you can see this is your affiliate link, guys. You can actually start sharing this your affiliate link with your friends, and whenever they make money, guys, you also make money. So if they make money, you're making money. So you don't need to be a worker, you don't need to be doing anything. All you need to do is just be sharing your own SproutGigs affiliate link to people, and when they sign up and they start performing jobs, guys, you too will be making money. The same money they make, you'll be making 5% of every money they make. All right, so if they make $100 of 5%, you're going to be making that money here as well on your SproutGigs account. So I do this a lot, and surprisingly, actually most of the time I don't really do a lot of work here on SproutGigs, but I discovered that I actually have some blog posts about SproutGigs, and I got people that actually signed up with my link, and day in day out my money increases as pending out the work, they put in the work, I make money for myself too on SproutGigs. So it's a very simple trick you can actually start doing for yourself. All you need to do is just grab your SproutGigs link, alright, and start sharing them on your WhatsApp status. Write a blog about it. If you have a website, tell your friends about it, and they work on SproutGigs. Even if you don't work, you'll be making 5% of every of their money, 5% of every of their money on SproutGigs.com. So that's just it on SproutGigs.com, guys. I shared with you some of the jobs that you can start doing on SproutGigs. Simple jobs. Jobs that are actually weird to think of. I talk about watching YouTube videos, liking the person's Facebook profile, Facebook page, downloading an app. Those simple things would get you money on SproutGigs.com. So it's a very simple thing to do. Go create your account on SproutGigs, and if you want the link, you can check the link down in this video description box. Alright, check the link there and create your own free account and go out there and make money for yourself. So this is just a simple review, or just a few minute review on SproutGigs.com and what you need to do to create an account and start making money on SproutGigs for yourself. So if that interests you, you're happy about this video, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. And thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.